Hello, so I'm making a video to show you around my house, and I just tried to, and it kind of went a bit jittery on my end, but when I watched it back it was okay, so I really hope it doesn't go on this one, because this might take me a while. And I've just realised the sun is like hitting off my face. Wait, yeah, look. Because yeah, this room is really bright. I'll block out the sun with my ginormous head and hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to it because you know how terrible we are at kind of doing stuff within 10 minutes. But yeah, so I'll show you about. And I'm using my building camera, so this could be a bit. This is my desk. That's my desk. My chair and everything. What a beast of a desk. With like the bookcase downside. And this is the chair I made out of a suitcase. Because I'm awesome like that. I really hope I'm not covering the mic when I do that. That's my bed. So yeah. Oh, and that's the Heart of Darkness on the bed. Oh, there. Just that's what I'm reading. It looks like it's really set up. I genuinely am reading it. And that's my window. Those are my drawers. Yeah, it's all very nice. I'll show you around a bit. Oh, and that's the front door. I really can't tell what I'm showing you because the sun's so bright that the screen's just like black to me. Okay, so out of the door, we have the stairs, and that sounds really dark and kind of ominous, doesn't it? Yeah, that leads up into Jess and Charles' room. And this is our living room with one sofa, two sofas, fireplace with fairy lights and candles in, and the happy birthday sign because it was Jess's birthday like the day before we moved in, so that's why that's there. And we have a cupboard which we keep. In fact, I'll show you this. I got given this. Oh, it's not locked right now. Whichever you lock it. I got given that bear by someone in the flat below us, and we thought it was really ominous, so we've named him Norman, and Norman, I said that weirdly, Norman, and we've locked him in the cupboard, because he scares us a bit. I'll show you out into our garden, which is really overgrown. I don't know how much of that you can see. That's our garden. I can show you out there in a second. This is our kitchen. It's got stuff on the side right now already. That's our fridge in the shape of our magnet from my parents got me. Lots of tea. Most of it's mine. Multi-grain hoops. Do you want to see all the food I bought with me? Look at all that food. How much food is that? That's insane. I didn't even. That was just stuff I had left over really, and I got given by you. That's rubbish. That's actually mainly Rob. He came around and made stuff. That's our window. Yeah, I've been cleaning up everything I use, so I don't really manage to get that much mess already. I'm meant to be the least tidy. This is our bathroom. I really can't see what I'm showing you. Sink there. My vegan toothbrush also. Toilet, isn't that interesting? Shower. It's quite a nice shower. Quite powerful. It's not like anything fancy, you know. Back door. Is the back door unlocked? It is. Okay, this is outside. What am I showing you right now? You're really just going to see my fringe peeking every now and then, because I'm trying to see what I'm showing you. Yeah, this is our garden, really overgrown. This is it, the patio area. Quite nice, little washing line. The back entrance around there. And yeah, well, I can show you the front garden. People are probably going to think I'm a bit mental, just kind of walking around carrying a laptop, apparently showing just a laptop around the front of our house. But you know, they're going to think I'm mental at some point in time, so I might as well just get it over and done with. Back through my room, that's really bright in comparison to the rest of the house. Oh yeah, that's my window that shines directly onto there, and kind of annoying. Oh, and those aren't mine. Those like Chinese-y things. They're quite nice though. I like the colours. So, and it blocks out that obviously. And there's the post box there. Kind of yeah. The post box. This is the. Oh, I can't open this without. That's outside. I know it's really knows that someone walks by. And that's our front garden. Really overgrown again. Really overgrown. Those are our bins. Those are the other houses. I'm gonna try and slide before someone sees me. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm living right now, which is cool. I really like it. I think it's got a nice vibe to it, the house. Yeah, I think the house has got a really nice vibe to it, so yeah. And I really hope that it wasn't there weren't too many, I can imagine there's loads of like loud crashings, you might not be able to hear what I'm saying, because my internal microphone isn't very good, and blah blah blah. But I'm going to wrap it up now, and watch this back and see if it is comprehensible. I'll probably just load it up anyway, because I can always kind of tell you to put it on mute, and I'll just tell you what I'm saying on the phone or something. Anyway, blah, I'm going. So, this is 14 Berry Street.